Welcome to the Webdadi tutorial video for updating your website cookie policy. Once you have logged into your VIA software, please navigate to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on the menu item called Website. This will reveal a further drop-down menu. Now click on the Pages section, which will open a list of all the pages that you currently have saved in a dashboard to the right of the screen. You may find that there is already a page set up called Cookie-Policy. You can either scroll down to the page, or you can use a search box next to the orange Add page to find this. Once you have found the cookie policy page, you will need to double click on this, which will open up a new tab. If there is no page already set up, then you will need to click on the orange Add Page button. Whether the page already exists or you're creating a new page, the fields that need to be filled out are exactly the same. Working from the top down, you will see the page URL field, which will need to be named Cookie-Policy. The page will also need to be ticked as being visible so that it shows live on the website. Moving down to the next boxes, you can give your page a title so that in this instance, enter the text Cookie Policy in the title field. If you require a subheading, use the next box down, but this can be left blank if you don't require one. The next box down is Content. This is where you will add the main body of the content for your page. You can use the editing tools above to amend the look and feel of the post, along with adding links, images or video if these are required. You have 4 boxes underneath Content where you can manage the SEO of the page that you have built. Meta keywords will need to be separated out with commas. If you would like to add an image to the top of the page behind the cookie policy title, then click on the grey box next to the media section, allowing you to choose an image of your choice from your computer. Please note that images need to be 2 MB maximum and JPEG format. The final step is to click Save and Close, the blue button at the top left of the page. You have now updated your website cookie policy.